Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to stop files or folder sharing in your Windows PC or laptop. You just need to follow me. This folder is a share folder in my computer. To check this, please right click in your start menu, then click on run. After then, please type // your computer name and click OK. So you see that this is a share folder in my computer. To stop this network sharing in my computer, please right click this folder and after then click on show more options. After then select give access to and then click on remove access. After then click on stop sharing options and type your admin password to stop the sharing options and you have done. To check again that your sharing folder is stopped or not, you just again right click in your start menu and then click on run and after then please type // and your computer name and click OK. You see that there is no network sharing folder, so you have done. Thank you for watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel for next video. Thank you.